Sam and the cat. Sam has a cat. The cat is fat. Sam sat on a mat. The cat sat on Sam. Sam and the cat nap on the mat. Ben's red hen. Ben has a hen. The hen is red. Ben fed the hen. The hen pecks at the net. Ben and the red hen sit in the den. The big wig. Sid has a big wig. The wig is red. Sid wears the wig. He dances with joy. Sid and the big wig have fun. Bob's hot pot. Bob has a pot. The pot is hot. Bob's dog spots the pot. The dog hops on a log. Bob and the dog jog to the pot. Bud and the bug. Bud has a bug. The bug is in a jug. Bud hugs the jug. The bug tugs at Bud. Bud and the bug run in the sun. Jake and the cake. Jake bakes a cake. He makes a lake of cake. A snake takes a piece of cake. Jake shakes the cake. The snake and Jake share the cake.
Pete's green tree. Pete has a tree. The tree is green. Pete sees a bee. The bee is on the tree. Pete and the bee are happy by the tree.
Mike's kite. Mike flies a kite. The kite is high in the sky. Mike ties the kite to a bike. A fly lands on the kite. Mike and the fly ride with the kite. Joe's boat. Joe has a boat. The boat can float. Joe rows the boat. A goat hops in the boat. Joe and the goat float on the boat.
Sue's blue shoes. Sue has new shoes. The shoes are blue. Sue's shoes are cute. She uses glue on her shoes. Sue and her shoes dance in the blue hue.